The Federal Reserve just got a crypto-friendly boss, shifting market expectations for interest rates and digital asset regulation overnight. Meanwhile, one of the industry's biggest public companies hit the brakes on its public debut, signaling caution ahead of a massive Senate vote tomorrow. Consensys, the company building tools for Ethereum, a blockchain platform for decentralized applications, delayed its initial public offering, a sale of shares to the public, until fall. Leadership likely needs more time to stabilize finances and clear regulatory hurdles before inviting investors. This pause avoids the intense quarterly reporting pressure of a public listing, letting executives focus on long-term growth without immediate stock market scrutiny. Senators filed fresh amendments to the Clarity Act targeting decentralized finance, digital financial services running on blockchains, distributed digital ledgers shared across computers without traditional banks, alongside controversial clauses involving the Trump family and Jeffrey Epstein. The Senate Banking Committee votes on these additions tomorrow, deciding if the bill moves to the full floor for a final showdown. These changes could reshape how regulators treat community-owned crypto projects while injecting high-profile political drama into a legislative process already focused on industry oversight. Kevin Warsh has officially been confirmed as the new Federal Reserve Chair, replacing Jerome Powell at the helm of the U.S. Central Bank. Warsh is known for a crypto-friendly stance, signaling a supportive regulatory environment for digital assets and potentially influencing how the Fed approaches stablecoins, digital tokens pegged to a fiat currency, and monetary policy. Market watchers are closely monitoring this shift, as Warsh's background suggests the Fed might embrace innovation rather than stifle it, boosting investor confidence across the digital economy. Myriad has selected Chainlink as its official Oracle platform, a service that connects blockchains to real-world data to power a fresh wave of crypto prediction markets. By leveraging Chainlink's runtime environment, Myriad can now deploy betting markets on real-world events with immediate settlement speeds. This partnership combines Myriad's user interface with Chainlink's reliable data feeds, allowing users to wager instantly while ensuring the underlying smart contracts, self-executing code that automates agreements, receive accurate information to settle bets fairly. Fidelity International just made history with its first tokenized fund, earning a top-tier AAA MF rating from Moody's. This digital asset, called FALQ, mirrors their traditional low-volatility fund, but lives on the blockchain, meaning you can buy or sell shares around the clock. Tokenization simply means turning a real-world investment into a digital token that's easily transferable and settles instantly. It's a huge step for traditional finance finally embracing crypto infrastructure. Bitcoin's recent price surge just hit a wall as traders start cashing out profits and US demand cools off. On-chain data from CryptoQuant shows the rally stalled right at a historically tricky resistance level, a zone that's often preceded sharp market corrections. Resistance is just a price point where selling pressure typically overpowers buying momentum. Investors should brace for some volatility as the market digests this sudden shift in sentiment. In a wild twist, a Bitcoin owner claims Claude AI cracked the password to a long-lost wallet, unlocking roughly $400,000 in BTC. The story blew up on X, grabbing millions of views as people debate whether AI really solved an old encryption puzzle. A wallet is just a digital tool storing your crypto keys, but without the password, funds are usually stuck forever. It's a fascinating glimpse into AI's growing power. Polymarket's monthly trading volume just dropped for the first time since August, cooling off a streak of consistent gains. Prediction markets, where users bet on real-world outcomes using crypto, have been incredibly popular lately, but rising competition is finally eating into their growth. This means platforms are now fighting harder for traders who used to flock to Polymarket by default. We'll be watching closely to see if this dip signals a broader sector slowdown or just normal market rotation. That's today's crypto news. I'm BitDogge. See you tomorrow.